Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're going to explain what needs to be the spark plug gap on Ford's 3.5 engine. This engine is used on Lincoln, on Ford vehicles, including Edge, Mkz, Mkx, Ford Explorer, quite a few actually vehicles, Ford Flex and Ford Taurus as well, I think even some Fusions. So those are the spark plugs guys, and we'll share the gap with you today. Okay, that's what we'll be doing. Now, it really depends on the manufacturer as well. Some might come with a different gap, so you always need to double check which spark plug you get, but we're demonstrating on for the original Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs right here. According to our manual, okay, we'll tell you what we found, but let me just tell you quick that on this car and this engine guys, we'll have more than 200 videos taking the whole thing apart, including replacing water pumps, timing chains and all that stuff. So please subscribe guys. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by providing free videos on the channel. So according to that manual, what we found, okay, this spark plug, okay, on that vehicle needs to be set between 0.051 and 0.057 inches, or if you go in millimeters, this will be 1.3 to 1.43. In our case, we set them right in the middle. We'll do them at 0.054 inches or 1.35 millimeters. Okay, and this one will be the gap for it. Again, it will be listed in the description of the video below, so check it out. Now, let's see. 1.35. Okay, this one doesn't fit. We need to re-gap it a little bit. We need to extend it a little bit because it's a little bit too short. Okay, perfect. Let's see now. Never ever pry on the diode there. Okay, this is a little bit loose. Okay, you can check right here. It's a little bit loose, so we need to tap on it just barely, a little bit. So, okay, we can get it perfect. It doesn't take much. Okay, so, okay, that's right on the spot there. Now, you have to be extremely careful not to damage, okay, the spark plug diode right here. Very careful with that thing guys. So again, you go between 0.051 to 0.057 inches or 1.3 millimeters to 1.43. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Many more videos will be made on that thing, and if you need help with anything specific, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Our subscribers will help you, probably some of them, and we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. So thank you for watching and see you next time.